Why is Telegram people nearby not showing? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will talk about some of the reasons why the Telegram people nearby feature is not showing. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you open up your Telegram application and head towards your contact, there you will not find the feature as people nearby. So the reason behind this feature not showing is that the Telegram has officially removed it from the application, citing issues with the bots and scammers. This means the feature is no longer available for most of the users and you will not be able to see nearby people on the platform anymore. Therefore, the people nearby feature is officially removed as it was reportedly being used by scammers for promoting illegal activities on the platform. But if you are using the older version of Telegram, you might still see the people nearby option, but it is recommended to update to the latest version. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.